Okay, guys, let's continue, and I'm going to solve this problem on Android Dev State 3 3D game, and basically I'm writing a blog, like a development blog, that's called a Learn IT3, where I share my developing process as well tutorials on here. They cover a lot of topic, ranging from GNC, Android development, all that of things, still in under construction. Okay, and I share all this process screenshot as well as code here. So yeah, feel free to reference that. And so today we're going to solve a problem, and so the input is assigned images. That doesn't really matter that much. So what I'm going to do is to write a. So remember, if you previously we achieved the functionality of if you move forward and you heat a cylinder, it will change the color, like you already hit the laser and it's got detected. Okay, and okay, we already achieved that. So what I'm going to do is to make it much more customized. So we already prefab that. What I'm trying to do is to adding a serialized field that can accept materials. So I can make a customized material. So for example, yeah. So when you design game, you have to keep in mind that you can you can always modify this game later. So you need to make a lot of serialized field, or like a socket. So later you can change it. So say we got amazing material that bought from say at a store, or hire some designer that can give us some amazing graphic yeah, for it. So I might just use a code that I written earlier, and I attach that code to a certain thing, and when the collision hit it, it will just automatically change that from a certain material to another material, rather than just hard code the material change color here, because that may not give you the best results. So I'm trying to get another script, just experiment a little bit on collision. Let's change that to onCollision change material mat. Okay, that's just a quick code. So what I'm going to do is to modify the simplified code earlier, and try to make a socket, a series of material list that I can accept. So for example, can I have a different material? So I'm trying to get a serialized field, and maybe I'm going to get a private, and we got material, and we got series materials. Okay. Right now I don't want to overcomplicate things by adding a on underscore before it. In the more advanced project, I'm going to use that underscore a lot. So let's just stick with the simple one. So I'm going to have an integer, and got the current material mat index. Okay, so starting from 0, so we can keep track of the current material, and let's have a renderer of renderer, okay, to achieve that. And yeah, I think I can get the start. Yeah, sorry, I need the start. I shouldn't have deleted. So start, don't need private yet, just to quickly test it, and we can quickly get the renderer or b getComponent of render. Okay, so this is just a quick way to get hold of things that we can change it later. So I start the frame, I'm going to get that, and then I'm going to say onCollision enter. Okay, and I'm going to change the material, collision with other, or you can just say collision with collision. That really didn't matter. Okay, you can change whatever you want. Not implement it, delete it, and we can say if our collision, if our material, if I actually set the material. So we got material length, length is not 0. Then I'm going to carry out to execute. We can get the render, and we can access the render's material, and things we got the current index of that. I'm going to assign that, and I'm going to current material index. Okay, and I'm trying a way of let's update that, but we didn't want it to be out of range. Let's try this way. Okay, so we got the current index, let be +1, and divide it and call the remainder of this material's length. Yeah, this Copilot just show us a great way of doing things. Okay, and so let's try to do that. We can attach this to let's test it to a new 3D object, maybe a sphere. Okay, so let's got it here like a magic cube. Okay, and I can attach onCollision to here and test this out. And we got the socket of a array of a material where I can add in a lot of elements. Okay, and the things I got multiple materials, so I can got this ground player, and maybe I don't know, you could create a lot of material this way. Just create another material, and that will be just change a different color. Okay, so yeah, I'm lazy, so I just but I really love this transparent view to it, so I'm going to stick with this. And we got this new material, and I'm going to drag it here. Okay, so we got multiple materials, and we're going to say material player, material for laser, material for ground. Yeah, let's just delete it. Just delete one. Okay, and let's test it. So it should have the default material of okay, so when you touch it, okay, then it can loop material. Okay, that's much better because it can actually loop it, and so every time I collide with it, I can loop it. That's really good. Okay, so we can get a sort of a really customized design. So when you when you want a series of material that you import or bought from as a store, or you use that later, you can use this technique. Okay, yeah, that will be a pretty short video. Hopefully it's helpful, and if you got anything want to say to me, or want to join my 100 days of Unity development, please leave any comments. I read every comment, and hopefully you will like it, or if you don't like it, it's really okay. You can leave me a comment and say what you don't like about it, and what's your suggestion, and I'm sure to cater in your need. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.